say a free show idea current no be free show the chair president ba ni nyina ye be president enti his excellency John Dramani Mahama sa normal we nyina no questionable kwan ya Saraf nye sika sa organization this weekends is very questionable. Why na do ne so kasa
new round anamebwa and then my start in that sequence. Nipa kro na obetro say Mahama ba started sa day way before no onya correct. He should go and check his history. No onya research no onsuya die ye. Mahama got no opposition. Neba ameye aditi trubia sa Saraf yonya ejuma wo wiase da. Now if our sponsorship bibia ye no our sponsorship or declare the people sponsoring them. Here is a situation. Yanti Mahama neba we na the sponsorship ba kumpo din da. Time bian so ya ni papa ni dinechi na omokoye. Mahama nkasa no esha asie ade no eye Mahama na eye odigane sika na eye na oya maneba no. He's just doing that now or person maneba no exposure. Because of MP now, person neba kodi woni krom no. Shata we any say yahwa ni sa akeke o. Shatawale no nso ode ne baaye no. It's a compensation to Shatawale because omo baaye no AGO se hwan special prosecutor no ekofa Shatawale ma Shatawale bu befu NDC for. So in order say omo nya ni publicly maye hu so omo akoto Shatawale no. Enokofa nebesho Mahama is a crook. Papa no, or ye crook, or ye scammer. Into no Mahama ya dia. You have to think into details, read into it, analyze it, and sana when your solution and an answer to what he is doing. Onye bibia fala keke no full say or can say Ghanaians for short memory nintino. Na Ghanaians so some of them may prove it to him so was short memory no. Ain't no obey to me the bibia bypassing. But some of us no we are very intelligent and our brains are very sharp. Into near maybe we read into it. It's steady in the year. And the logical meaning of what you are doing. Enti John Mahama ye bisaw uba onye ejuma da sika no onye fihe adenti na time a woti fie no sa niema we nyina mo anye uba ya wo brother no okoto we no yese no ji ejuma fi nkrofo nsem adenti na time na woti fie no sa niema ni nyina nkoso na fe na upese wo be build the dynasty at the expense of Ghanaians no. Now, who family ne be your most powerful family in Ghana, so that you rule over Ghana. That is your aim. By your culture, John Mahama, you will never succeed. Not when some of us are alive. Baby, I would be fabi I be debonke. Near culture Ghana for no me who subain. Ya culture Ghana for no me who subain. Wo buy sukonuma onye juma wo wiasida. Shesika. O akwala we atodan wo East Legon. Enyase watodan ba kumpo. Enyase watodan ba kun. Oni nam ho Dubai ni ade eyi abrochima mu nyina wo mani ni fie ni ade wo ho. All at the expense of Ghanaians who you work SAD. Now wo trio mo ka bad. Now we discanning here unnecessary things. What to more market triem, when your cabinet a ketriem 67%. No what to government workers a ketriem 9%. No what is says scanning the amaoma. What is says scanning the ama accord G mute yourself. Allergy or accord G mute yourself. What it says scanning the amaoma, they are your necessary richie, almost they are richie at the expense of poor Ghanaians. Who buy what be schools in Basa? What be ye schools in Basa? Emma sisi ankrofo man kesi so munye education no ma dream mu bebie no mo hu ne ma bone na wo ye wo Ghana no because so person Ghana for sebi omo ye atete kwafo all the time say ne obetumi a control omo nti no what best say education system and ska wo de best sponsor education no wo de ma oba no de ye boxing Nyankopon na betua wo ka NDC fo no nso a mo ye ka mo ma ye nka no ye ka mo ma ye nka no mo aka say hia mo a mo sorry na mo su ahomache bia mo betena social media so esu sususu no 9000 na ye cheche ma nkrofo no 95 no mwanya mo de na mo abegina ha be ye enema emfata me pa cho mo obi
I was I don't pay me sorry. Na see assembly breaking news be bad I'm breaking news be a bad for you for a government here. Dominic Ayeni, yeah, Attorney General or the breaking news you back. Now boy 11 when my breaking news and then 21st December. The other day Christmas and say or the breaking news be bad to say government appointee ni government official bi ehun abon corruption mu ate say oba be expose zadi pakro no ama ate say Ghana ha no asemo eba na yenti da ama bloggers a posti TV stations bi kura adika kika ho asemo ate say nyasem ketwa asemo be ba okru ha no enam ene metie bi na mehu asem kura eba papa ebo 11 yara bi 2 GTV na we say Dominic Ayeni Attorney General kasa okamamenti a big news here ba ni nyina de say akpalu ni yire afa Ghana sika bi che say poma che say ya semo Ghana your problem poma che say different of HB abeta obi din hunti no corruption bi obabi na wasesa din no fraud obi sika na money laundry bi na say Ghana ye wo problem the big news any breaking news attorney general ebe press conference be Ghana for aten ani is your problem ekamamenti ya chama untumi akoji loan wo Essence Bank so the koye farm na farm no wanye na wakra 1990 machines abegu farm so corruption crime defraud by pretense obe charge no ni office one or making sure say ordinary be family kwai so Attorney General baku ya opam ko hye ngurem kra utumi ko chi omu mai dia wo sha ase obeka kire ye press conference krum ha enu kra ye hum epomasebre ora ho asema to nsuo Conforata issues wo ba jana kan say Conforata lawyers okofa ye no utumi kwa ni encompete obebi a ehu abo ama utumi bia oribeye avedi akpalu ni chama utumi ama ma sheda fa kwan bi so akika nsembo ni afa ne ho egu nani mu ase bibire no afeno me sa Akufo ya tidada ye ya wo ye nim dada we nye breaking news nsem okay nim say ntro ena eba akoye edukada ya eba be ye nkro besie press conference na 21st of ye me make a play say we enkosi hwe oba ye de chance ankosi ahwe afi be ka kire ni say Keno for attack of fast special lawyers a uhio Ghana 40 million enyeden encompete wa asem no muntino asem kwa no ebe din say ebetimi na ba Ghana na we na news amaya ebeti ayenti bida involve the money involve all kind nyina kwa no enye sike bia NDC for munyina yie na mu say Dominic Atene sa ye news eden ogumani mu ase in the Ghana of history me afena me hu Attorney General abon a onka no kware Attorney General obi abo nipo na waka bigu na somo a onye hwehwemu enya evidence bia no na afi wa chance kasa musi chama wutumi atu galamsey chama wutumi nti na magalamsey ntimi stop mu ba ya mechi na tuma masobu galamsey bu ba ya galamsey na ye west chama wutumi kwanchi ntum okokotwa musam ka kotu bia ni wa sabi o efamra kwan mu ni evidence bia afi ono ani manager na mu bribe ni say o meye evidence to ma wuntumi enu kwa ko si aga munya nka wunsem nwiye ave the Exis Bank contract oni omu wo no Attorney General we fa ho ben so bia ko ji loan e wo Exis Bank so di ko ye farms na bank ni fi say family kwan so wa fraud wo mo a wo atoni general fa ho ben asem no kwa nya nko court kra ma yenka wa asem aje agi nka say obi a o man sike bia kodi tema wontumi ho banks a ono agene na so oma ankro ka busia a tema wontumi be a business man ko gi busia and because of so region time in India na wo mra wo di de me de ntwa kwan mu we enye de hia nie mu wo issue before obi hu na mo gi di say corruption bi bom na say wa for man sika fa no court na sa press conference ya mo ye nyina no e na say ni say the whole attorney general sa press conference ebusiafo sa press conference ya na Dominic Ibeye me kire na say ni say fa so bi ani so mo ye de hia Ghana fo ye hu kire yen esmas we na enko yie mo ntu adwuma efo ka
also great data lord Felix and then Omo Makasina
Shakataka Amugan Shaka.
I couldn't then I'm very careful so that I don't end up biting my tongue. And Ode, I don't know if it is right. And then
Ode bit my Amuga Shaka and a voice I can. You see me the Amuga Amuga Shaka.
I see, Hassan, I greet all of you.
Thank you.
I think, sir, I'm much concerned about the voter region. Voter region, Metia Felix, ne Castle kind na. You see, party Nankas Hano. A party na Abe to say, and paying you for party into the beer, you have this, the elderly ones always leading the way, and I got to say, be money, I say, and paying you for now, say, Abeja and Colano Waitre. Well, over voter region, there is a lot that can be done. May say, let's give time some time. In the coming days, no, the voter region will no longer be the voter region we've seen and heard over the years. There is going to be a new narrative from the voter region, and you know what I'm talking of, and me wojidie and me. I don't touch something and leave it. Whether I become the regional youth organizer or not, I know very well, say, there is a lot we can tap into as far as voter region are concerned. And people no be brave voter region na omunya faso bia and free yanum for her. But yankasa ye nyoma ye ena ama emebuno egusu edi omu maame ni omu nana kaso afo echi se because ye nana ne ye maame mu edi yanum echi nti o se yesu ye gusu edi omu echi. Enti media me wo Saji DNA say there are a few things I was saying go into looking at the future, particularly the 2028 election. If we want to win, we have to retreat and re-strategize. If we want to win and win convincingly, we have to retreat and re-strategize. And in re-strategizing, one of the key things are Metie Felix ne kasemo pa in terms of some key faces or more our campaign and why they have to draw back is to rebrand, and in rebranding I was saying Akufo na eteki editor Oshe President Mahama Abrɛ 2016 no losing election there were some key figures na ye blame almost say omo ye answer na Mahama lose ye Baku eye Standobi. Another one eye the late Omanibuama and the likes. But something going na omuluzu no. They took a certain direction in terms of rebranding. They were not the focal point of the election. Omudi a lot of emebunu ebetu and him. They brought a lot of the young guys to come and front most of the things. Now, Omayeti said the engine at the back room. They push the young ones, and then they are fighting on behalf of the party. Sami Jenfi, Sabreno, at the time 2016, Sami Jenfi no ndi Mahama Ichi Gidigidi Sao. Sami Jemfia nyinaa yɛ ɛnɛ wabɛyɛ the demigod in NDC. 2016 no nye Mahama darling boy at that time. Mo. After 2016, and almost recognize it and almost identify no as one of the young guys I'll bet me the party ni akoinim. And to me there, me was sad then say as a party and as young people, no, we need to strategize very well. There is no need for I am shishe bia ma obia yemun she no say and na 31st ebeko yi anasenko yi. Keep faith alive. The bigger picture is on 28th. Is on 2028 of this for the next general election. What can we do as the people of the Volta region to contribute to the NPP's victory? Ne na a strategy. Ne na a the way ube eye onyoma ama emebu no mu wasa region no no. Ombe rally behind us. Me, I know, say, the next phase of your party from a himfa, and konyesa akokra for nibium. It will no longer be the aspect who will now want to relegate the young people. There be Emrena son say what's a minewu. Yen rally behind the party and let's say this is the time for us to push the party forward. And to voter region there, I know that there is a big problem over me. Say name say challenge our voter region and I'm a boy. But only make answer a problem honti. You would be marking time and be asking, say, then there be na our boardroom no. When you go to the boardroom and you sit around the table and you plan, you'll be able to plot and get your target straightforward. Me voter meaning pan say nyoma bebre wo ho no ma voter. E wo say yeah we are not doing and until na NDC na etimi nya akonya wo voter region de bia omonto ayampia thinking say omuna they are on top. But in actual sense no, they bia meka say NDC in the voter region no. Enye dwuma bia na omo yo. Enya no mo Oba voter region. Meet me a catch you say. And bebre no. Nyomu ye nyina eye dede kwa. Nyomu ye nyina eye dede because man best steady who say. And kofo bebre na wa region nemu no epeso muti dede no. Inti se omunya bo trumpet no anasa aben no egu masompe no me who say yes. NDC MFA mia no mu tusa omunyomo no. But in actual sense no, and yes na ekoso. Nothing is actually going on. Because ne amene woka say oba region nemo from district to district. Me I can tell you I have scanned the region on 2 occasions already. And I can tell you, say, regional share and cost regional. Near cause na abekacho say big push. Me who push crowd mo push it. And then abekacho say ye be oxygen city. Oxygen city, and then I anti wo krom ha compared to Hope City. And then abekacho say to be aped there the investors be aba omako hokwe ombe be the. So these are all antics deployed just to make sure that they get the attention of the people. But the big question is, then as a party, one of the biggest challenge I have in the party is party now has been very, very deliberate in not holding voter region tight. And me on any ground maker, me champagne for baby Makatron say the party must be deliberate if we want to win and win voter region. We must be deliberate in investing in the voter region. Ashanti region then am office e cause answer na NDC etimi penetrate ho. NDC ye dwen say omo de omo nsa eto omo sre so keke na ewini ana. They deliberately targeted the region. By voter, the asam kwa yebeka kire say oh na mo de say mo bua ye mo de mo support ye mo de oh ye nim say mo ntuma ye mo de mo ya igbefo de say sa na mo te. If it continues like that, it will continue to be dwindling. It will be small up, big down, small up, big down. A better rising kakana sa hit it, a drop it, boom. We cannot continue on that tangent. The party must take interest. Me will GDA pass of MPP. Ye boy and one more dia, we can win at least a maximum of 3-5 seats in the region. Then you now you're targeting and being deliberate. Now NDC don't know na omutimi enya Ashanti region seats no. They were deliberate about it. They were very purposeful about it. Say yeah ko kase be ka say da be na wo ba ye. Na wo de ofrin fa mo ye nkola da be na ye wo mu. Ba enne nkola adwen no, that is what is helping in the NDC party.
Right.
And no eneboa ewa NDC party no. Nti me stress ye nyina ye mbompa ye.